You sexy boy, you managed to get yourself a date. I like it. But now you're wondering what exactly you should wear to impress your date? Well, choosing your date outfit should depend on where you're taking her and what occasion it is. But don't worry, I got you covered. Starting with a casual date, this is where you take her to a nice coffee shop. Idea is that you need to be comfortable in your skin. So wear a fitted white tee, slim fit jeans or chinos, and your clean minimal looking sneakers, but definitely not your trainers. And let's get one thing straight, guys. Short of you being at a beach on a date, there's no excuse for you to wear shorts. Let's continue. So you're taking her to a nice place for dinner or drinks. Well, you need to look the part as well, my friend. Then this outfit is guaranteed to make your date smile. Wear a white tee, slim fit jeans, some fashion sneakers, or even loafers. And to make the whole outfit super sexy, a nice blazer. So you feel like shaking a leg, so you're taking her out clubbing. I love going monochromatic. It makes me look taller and more sophisticated. Idea is to wear a nice button-down shirt, tuck it into your pants or your chinos, and wear a nice pair of penny loafers, and you're ready to set the dance floor on fire. I know we're in a tough situation right now, and maybe you're having your dates at home, but that does not mean that you do not dress well. Idea is to put a good impression forward, and dressing well does just that. My date is here. I'll catch you later. We all get invited to events, parties, occasions where there's a dress code involved, and this is where things get confusing. Well, that's what your bro is here for, and I'm going to clarify these doubts once and for all. With smart casuals, the idea is to look smart. You need to wear something that has a collar, so a polo neck like this one, or something like a button-down shirt is absolutely perfect. Chinos are a fantastic option, especially because they're so much more lighter to wear than jeans, and they look a whole lot more smarter. Coming down to the shoes, you should ideally be wearing penny loafers, lace-ups, or even Chelsea boots. Am I looking snazzy? Good, because that's the idea behind our next dress code, the business casual. You can actually wear a button-down shirt that is tucked in to your well-fitted jeans, and you can top it off with a nice blazer. When it comes to your bottom wear, ideally wear chinos or pants. You can definitely go for jeans as long as they are well-fitted, they're darker in colors, and don't have any distressed patterns or rips on them. You can wear your lace-ups, penny loafers, and even Chelsea boots if the weather permits. I hope this video was helpful in clarifying some of those doubts, and the next time you're invited to an occasion with a particular dress code, you're gonna ace it. Winters are right around the corner, and I've got a couple of outfit ideas that you need to make yours. Let's go.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.